You know, it's costing you clients right now and you don't even know it's happening. Your LinkedIn profile is getting views from real prospects, people who could pay you what you're worth, and every single one of them is leaving without booking a call with you. If you've checked your analytics and you've seen your profile views going up while your calendar stays empty, this is for you, because the reason is hidden. And I get it, you've got experience and you've got competitive pricing, but there's something sitting right at the top of your profile that is quietly sending people away. Now, here's what's actually happening. A high-ticket prospect finds your profile, maybe through a post or a comment, maybe they have a mutual connection. Anyway, they click through, and the first thing that they read is your headline. Now, for most people on LinkedIn, that headline reads like some version of, "I help X to do Y," or a job title, or a list of services. You know, it sounds professional and it checks the box, but a high-ticket prospect reads it and their brain makes a split-second decision. This person sounds fine, but they sound like everyone else. They sound like everybody I've already looked at this week, and then they're gone. No message, no follow, nothing, and you have no idea why, because nothing about your profile really looks broken. Now, I want to be clear about this. This happens to founders and consultants with real expertise. They get real results. They have real experience. The mistake comes from being taught to write profiles like resumes. Credentials first, services second, and that made sense if you were trying to get a job. But a high-ticket prospect reads your profile with a completely different question in mind. Your headline leads with a title and a service description, and they're scanning for something else entirely. They want to know if you understand the specific problem that they're in right now. When the headline doesn't answer that, they're Splitsville. They move on quietly every single time. So here's what I want to advise. Your headline should name the specific situation your perfect prospect is in, the specific moment, the specific pain that they're feeling. A headline like, "4 consultants whose LinkedIn profile gets views, but their calendar stays empty," does something a generic service description never can. The prospect reads it and thinks, wait, that's exactly what's happening to me right now. And once they think that, they don't just see a profile anymore. They see someone who's already inside their specific problem, which means you've already done the hardest part of the sale before they've even messaged you. Now, this same principle runs through every section of your profile, your featured section, your about section, your banner image. Every element keeps speaking directly to that one specific person in that one specific situation. Your perfect prospect reading it and feeling like you already understand them. And once you get this right, something else starts happening that most people don't expect. I'll tell you about that in just a second. You came to this video today to learn how to optimize your LinkedIn profile to get clients. You might be wondering how you can get help building this out, your profile, your messaging, the whole system for attracting the right prospects without chasing volume. That's exactly what I walk you through in my free on-demand workshop, which you can get access to at abmclass.com. Now, here's that thing that I mentioned. Once your profile starts speaking directly to your perfect prospect's specific situation, the views you get start coming from the right people. And those are the people who message you first. That's the big shift. The right prospects recognize themselves in what you wrote, and they reach out because they already feel like you get it before a single sales conversation even happens. Your profile is a mirror for your perfect prospect's exact problem. Get that right, and the calls start booking themselves. If you found value in this, let me know in the comments below. I read and respond to every single one.